Perhaps like us, you have a Wolf steam oven that suffers from a numeric dial that skips around, and it's very frustrating because you are trying to just set a timer or set an oven temperature, and when you turn the knob, it just skips wildly around. Well, this video will show you, at least on the model that I had, how to fix this problem. It entails swapping out a control board. And so first you have to pull the steam oven out and remove this cover just by undoing all the screws. Once inside, you'll see that control board sits right behind where the knob and the keypad punch buttons are. And I'll talk about which board that is later on in the video. There's 4 connectors on there, 2 that are a little unusual, these 2, and then 2 ribbon cables that are pretty easy to pop off. So one by one, you'll want to take these cables off of the control board, the 4 cables that attach, and that's really all that attaches that circuit board to the oven. Oh, by the way, before you pull the circuit board off, don't forget to take the control knob off the front. That was something I forgot at first. The tricky part, 2 of the tricky parts, the first one that you'll run into is how that board is mounted. There's little clips along the top of the board that keep the board on, and then there's a little tray mounts. These are the ones that you actually will bend down. You will bend that down on the bottom, and then the bottom of the board will swing out, and you'll be able to release the board. Once you have the board out, you'll need to remove the display, which is attached at the top, and there's 4 little clips that clip that board. This was the other challenging part of doing this. These little clips bend easily. I was worried about breaking them, so be very careful. The bottom 2 little clips will go into 2 pretty tiny holes that are in the circuit board, and the top 2 will just hang over the top of the board. So here are the bottom 2 very small tiny holes that the bottom of that display will sit into. And then there's notches at the top where the rest of the remaining of that display will sit onto the top. Once you've attached this, then you pretty much just reverse the whole procedure, mount the circuit board back on, reverse all the steps, and your knob will be as good as new. This board is available online. In my case, I was able to buy it for $176 from Great Plains Appliance Repair here in Denver. They have a Denver and a Dallas location. There may be, I'm sure there's other places that Wolf will point you to for the neighborhood or the area that you live in. Hope you find this useful.